Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best GoPro Hero 9 is probably one of the most essential accessories for any action camera enthusiast. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, having a reliable power source is crucial for capturing those epic moments. In this video, we'll dive deep into the GoPro Hero 9 battery, exploring its features, performance, and why it's a must-have for your adventures. Number 5. TELESIN charger for GoPro Hero 12-11-10-9. Need to charge multiple batteries quickly? This charger can handle 3 at once. It uses the included USB-C cable and gets the job done in about 2 hours, perfect for those long trips. Worried about compatibility? Don't be. This is certified to work with your Hero 9-12 black batteries. The magnetic connectors keep everything secure, so you won't have any charging interruptions. Safety is a priority. This charger automatically stops when the batteries are full to prevent overcharging. It also protects against overheating, short circuits, and power issues, which is great for outdoor use. It's also a handy storage case. It's IP54 rated for dust and water resistance and can hold 3 batteries and 2 SD cards. It's small enough to fit in your camera bag or pocket. Keeping track of the charging status is easy. A simple LED system shows you when it's charging and when it's done. You can easily monitor the progress, even in low-light conditions. What we like. This charger offers incredibly fast charging, getting your batteries ready in no time. It also doubles as a storage case, perfect for travel. With its safety features, you can rest assured that it protects your batteries. If you're planning a multi-day adventure and need a reliable, safe, and compact charging solution, you should consider this. What people say. Unit allows you to charge up to 3 batteries at a time. Front LED lights give current status of the battery charge. Can even use power bank to charge battery if no AC outlet available. Number 4. TELESIN GoPro 12-11-10-9 battery charger kit. This kit is both a storage box and a charger. It can simultaneously charge 3 GoPro Hero 12, 11, 10, or 9 black batteries. It also keeps your batteries safe from water and dust. The charger is small and lightweight, making it easy to carry. You can easily take it with you in your bag or luggage. It's perfect for travel. This kit includes 1750 mAh replacement batteries to extend your recording time. With this, you won't miss any important moments. It takes about 2 hours to fully charge 3 batteries. It uses a Type-C USB interface for easy charging. The user-friendly design allows you to plug it in either way. It's simple and convenient. The charger and batteries are fully protected. They are protected against overcharging, short circuits, and other potential issues. You can use it with peace of mind. What we like. This kit is a 2-in-1 solution, functioning as both a charger and a storage case. Its compact design makes it easy to carry around. Plus, it comes with extra batteries to extend your shooting time. If you are looking for a convenient all-in-one package that includes batteries and a charger, this is a great choice. What people say. The battery life is greatly improved. The battery life is much better than the original GoPro batteries. It charges quickly. Number 3. TELESIN GoPro Hero 12-11-10-9 battery charger. This is the TELESIN charger, designed for your GoPro Hero 12, 11, 10, and 9. It functions as both a charger and a storage box, keeping your batteries safe and ready to go. You can charge 3 batteries at once. The charger doubles as a storage case, protecting your batteries from water, dust, and debris. It's a convenient way to keep your batteries safe when not in use. Please note that the battery color is random. The charger's small and lightweight design makes it easy to carry. Toss it in your bag or luggage, and you're ready to go. It's perfect for travel and on-the-go shooting. This charger comes with 1750 mAh replacement batteries to boost your camera's running time. You can capture every moment without worrying about running out of power. It takes about 2 hours to fully charge 3 batteries. It features a Type-C USB interface for easy charging. The user-friendly design allows you to plug it in either way. It's simple and convenient. The charger and batteries are fully protected. They are designed to prevent overcharging, short circuits, and other potential issues. You can use it with confidence. What we like. This charger is also a storage box, keeping your batteries safe from the elements. It's designed to be compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry. It also provides extra batteries to keep you recording. If you like a simple and portable charging solution with extra battery power, you should consider this. What people say. The battery life is greatly improved over previous GoPro models. The battery is easy to install and remove. It is a genuine GoPro battery, so it works perfectly with the camera. Number 2. TELESIN Hero 1211 Battery and Charger. Introducing the TELESIN battery and charger, designed for your GoPro Hero 9, 10, 11, and 12. This kit ensures you never miss a moment, providing reliable power and convenient charging. The TELESIN battery is fully compatible with your GoPro Hero 9, 10, 11, and 12 cameras and chargers. You can use it with your existing GoPro accessories without any issues. This ensures seamless integration and reliable performance. With this kit, you get 2 replacement batteries and a triple-channel charger. This setup significantly extends your recording time, allowing you to capture more footage. It's the perfect solution for long shoots and adventures. The TELESIN battery features multiple layers of protection, including overcharge, short circuit, and high-temperature protection. This ensures the safety of both the battery and your device. The fire-resistant construction adds an extra layer of security. The charger can charge 3 batteries simultaneously and independently. It also features a storage function, keeping your batteries safe and organized. The Type-C port enables quick charging, with red and green lights indicating the charging status. What we like. This charger is fully compatible with your GoPro, ensuring seamless use. It comes with extra batteries, so you won't miss a moment. The charger also has multiple protection features. If you are looking for a reliable and safe charging solution with extra batteries, you should consider this. What people say. The battery life is greatly improved over previous GoPro models. The battery is easy to install and remove. It is a genuine GoPro battery, so it works perfectly with the camera. Number 1. TELESIN GoPro 1211 10-9 Battery Charger and Storage Case. This TELESIN charger doubles as a storage box and a charging station. It can charge 3 GoPro batteries at once. This keeps your batteries safe and ready to go. The case protects your batteries from water, dust, and debris. It's a safe and secure way to store your GoPro batteries when not in use. The charger is small and lightweight, perfect for travel. You can easily carry it in your bag or luggage. It's designed for convenience. This charger boosts the running time of your GoPro. It comes with replacement batteries, allowing you to capture every moment. It takes about 2 hours to fully charge 3 batteries. It uses a USB Type-C interface for easy charging. The user-friendly design allows you to plug it in either way. It's simple and efficient. The charger and batteries are designed with safety in mind. They are protected against overcharging and short circuits. You can use it with peace of mind. What we like. This charger doubles as a storage case, keeping your batteries safe. It's designed to be compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry. It also provides extra batteries to keep you recording. If you are looking for a simple and portable charging solution with extra battery power, you should consider this. What people say. The battery life is greatly improved. The battery life is much better than the original GoPro batteries. It charges quickly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.